Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class we want to look at questions on Pythagoras theorem. So the first question we have here is this. Don't forget what discussion is. So you have to find the value of letter y in this question. So the first thing you're going to do is to identify the size of this shape. And the size, I've told you the side, the longest side there, and it's also facing the 90-degree. The square corner here is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So this side is called hypotenuse. While the other two sides are opposite and adjacent. So this could be the opposite depending on the angle you are considering. So if you are considering this angle here, this will be the opposite. And if you are considering this angle here, this will be the opposite. So this will come adjacent. Whichever one you use, you still get the same answer. So let's now look, what does the Pythagoras theorem says? So it states that hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. So hypotenuse is y squared and the opposite is 48. Then you square it plus adjacent, which is what? 20 squared. So we'll find 48 squared now is 2000. That is y squared equals to 2304 plus 20 squared, that is 400. So we add the two together. So that gives us 2704. So that is y squared. So but it's not y squared we're looking for y. So this means to find the square root of both sides. That is square root of 2704. That is square root answer. That gives us y equals to 52 units. So that is 52. That's option A. I hope that is very clear. So we go to the next question, number 2. So for number 2, you can see that the triangle is not well placed. So it can be anyhow, but the most important thing for you is to identify the size. So identifying the size here, so this will become the hypotenuse because it's facing angle 90 degree. So this could be the opposite, and this could be the what? Adjacent. So that means we're making use of this Pythagoras. So that would be h squared, hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. So hypotenuse in this case is 14. That's 14 squared. Opposite is p squared. And the adjacent is 10 squared. So 14 squared is equal to 196 equals to p squared plus 100. All right? So that means 196 minus 100 equals to what? P squared. All right? I hope I'm making sense. So that means 96 equals to what? P squared. Therefore, P equals to square root of what? 96. And let's see what we're going to get. So that means square root of 96, and that gives us 9.79. So this will be what? 9.8, approximately 9.8 centimeters. That is this option here. I hope this is very clear. Okay. So move to the next one. Question 3 now. Question 3. So what we have here, the same thing. If you look at this, this is hypotenuse, as this is opposite, and this is adjacent. So hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Hypotenuse is 12. That's 12 squared equals to opposite, that is 9 squared, plus adjacent a squared. So this is 144 equals to 81 plus a squared. So that is 144 minus 81. So we're going to have 144 minus 81 equals to what? A squared. So therefore, A squared equals to 63. So then A equal to square root of 63. Therefore, A equals to find the square root of 63 now, and that gives us 7.937. So approximately it is 7.9, which is this option here. I believe this is very clear to you. All right, so move to the next one, and that is question number 4. So this is under Pythagorean triple. So is 10, 40, 41 a Pythagorean triple? Don't forget, Pythagorean triple is talking about when we have a set of 3 numbers that satisfied the conditions of Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem now. So we have, since we have 10, 40, 41. So this will serve as the hypotenuse. This could be the opposite, and this could be the adjacent. So that means square of this must be equal to the square of this plus this, the sum of the square of both. So that means we are saying 10 squared plus 40 squared must be equal to 41 squared. So we want to check if it's going to be correct. So 10 squared is 100, and 40 squared is 1,600. All right, and 41 squared, let's check. So this will give us 1,700. All right, so 41 squared now, let's check. 41 squared is 1,681, which means they are not equal. So which means the answer here is Pythagoras? No. The answer is no, capital no. Is that clear? I hope I'm making sense. Now, 12, 16, 20 is a Pythagorean triple. Let's check if it's true or false. So the same thing. So the highest number here is 20. That is going to be 20 squared equals to 12 squared plus 16 squared must be equals to. So we want to check first. So 20 squared is 400. This is 144. Right? 16 squared equals to 256 plus 256. So let's add together. So 144 plus 256. That's equal to 400. So that means this is correct. It is true. The answer becomes true. I hope this is very clear. So this is what we have for this video. So we'll meet in our next class. Bye for now.